In this video, I will show you how to apply for the Sam's Club business credit card. To do this, first just go to samsclub.com and click on Sam's Club credit right there. From here you will see this, so you can earn up to 5% cashback. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see an overview, so you have the credit card and MasterCard, and you can see what you can do with it. Now if you want to apply, just go right here, own a business, apply for the Sam's Club business credit card. So if you want to apply for that, go and click on apply now, and it will redirect you to the following page. Now from here you want to go and enter your membership number, first name and last name. So you will need to have a membership. If you haven't registered your membership yet, you can just scroll to the bottom of their website and there you will find membership. Now from here you can then click on join Sam's Club. Now you have probably already done this, but from here you can then choose whether you want plus or club and then just go and join. Then go back to this screen, enter your membership number and first and last name that you registered with and click next. And then from there you will need to follow a few more steps, so just go through that process and then you will have applied for the Sam's Club business credit card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.